How to fix Mecha Chameleon if it's stuck, freezing, or not responding on your PC. First, you have to go ahead and simply completely close the game. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and simply press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open up your task manager. Now in search here, you need to go ahead and simply search for Mecha Chameleon, right click onto it, then simply tap on End Task. Next, restart your computer and launch the game again to see if the issue is resolved or not. If not, open up Steam, tap on your library, find Mecha Chameleon right over here, select it, right click onto it, tap on Properties, tap on Install Files, and make sure you tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically repair any missing or corrupted files. You should even check the game updates and make sure that your graphic drivers are up to date. If the game is still stuck, you can try running Steam and the game as an administrator. Once you've completed the step, you will be able to fix your issue. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.